box.
Oh yeah. It's just in there.
I decided that all the rest of the
Diaper bag on the side.
Thanks, Des.
Thanks for
We'll get a card.
Yeah.
You guys don't have a Christmas card?
Of course, and you never eat.
You should. Get one tomorrow. Then I'll start saving up points for you to get off of gas. Well, you know what?
Uh-huh.
Brother got one of those.
She's back in.
Wow.
That's kind of really working the system right now.
Wow! That huge.
Do you want Pop Rocks?
Out of the way.
Pop Rocks?
You're
You gotta
in the
offer
way.
them to them if you're gonna get them. So keep this for you. Oh, this is for Destiny. Is there enough for them? You need to give it to the kids, Charity.
Fireworks in your
Mine
mouth.
too. I almost have like a sour tummy.
Right now? Just because I ate so
Filming.
much.
Well, it might be just the eggs for me, maybe.
You know what? I haven't had that much.
Stop screaming!
They can scream if they want to.
And then the blackberries. And the watermelon.
There you go.
Sitting in our tummy and fermenting.
We get to scream.
Anyway, so that was just kind of my thought. The way I would have. Oh, look at that. That
Wow.
was cool.
All the way up there.
I like the weird shaped ones.
Yeah, that way I figured I wouldn't have to do the whole separate my stuff. Woo, that was
Oh.
Yeah, I'll
Uh-oh.
help you. Well, let me know if
I don't
you
think
find out
that
he's
one was
not leaving till
supposed to
later
be a
tomorrow.
half dome on the
Bring
ground.
me. You can just bring Whitney. Honestly,
Oh, he's good, sweetie.
the other guy.
Give me this one.
Oh.
Give me this one. You guys can have all of
tell that
it for
they
round.
say that you can't just, all your stuff at once.